How's it? I'm Kurt from Studio 22 and today I've got the 80D with me. I had a chore to do the other day. I had to zip through to the airport to fetch my wife, and I thought, well, how can I utilize this opportunity and do something for the vlog? The last time I filmed a time-lapse was in 2011 on my 60D. At that point I needed to have an intervalometer attached to the camera to be able to adjust and control the shutter during the exposure. Nowadays the 80D has got this built in, so that's pretty awesome. Also, the time-lapse and a hyperlapse are very similar, so with the same settings you can do a hyperlapse and a time-lapse. So I had no choice but to do both. I'm also going to show you the settings on the back of the 80D. It's really easy. You go into movie mode, you click menu, and you go over to the camera settings, number 5, right, second from the bottom is the time-lapse. You make sure that it says enable. If you want to make changes to that, it allows you to control the intervals, so 1 exposure per second, the number of exposures all in all, so the number of shots, nice and casual. So in this case there's 1 every second, 300 of them in total, will take 4 minutes and 59 seconds, and it'll give me a clip length of 12 seconds. Now the amazing thing about this, compared to using an intervalometer, is you're in movie mode, so once you've completed filming, your clip is complete. It's ready to play within a matter of seconds. To start the process, you hit the stop-start button. It then tells you that you need to hit the trigger button to start the movie. At this time it also is going to give you a preview on the screen, and it's going to use that image as the exposure, and it stays that set exposure is captured through the entire clip. So if you have, you'll notice in the clip, as the weather changes, as the clouds move, the light gets lighter and darker, so does your entire clip from light to dark. The end of the clip as well ends up in the parking garage, where of course there's no sunlight, so it goes darker. So the camera doesn't automatically change its exposure, which is exactly what you want.